Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Insight door panel. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having the right tools, especially the plastic pry tool, is crucial to avoid scratching or damaging your door panel. Also, keep a small container handy for all the screws you'll be removing to prevent them from getting lost. Next, let's start removing the fasteners. Begin by gently prying off the speaker grill, then remove the 3 Phillips head screws located around the speaker, but not the ones holding the speaker itself. After that, carefully pry open the small flap behind the door handle to access and remove a single Phillips head screw. Finally, remove the top and bottom plastic covers on the door pull handle to reveal and remove 2 more Phillips head screws. With the screws out, it's time to detach the panel. First, remove the small triangular piece covering the outside mirror anchors by pulling it perpendicularly towards you. Now, using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the door panel, starting from the bottom to release the pop connectors or clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up to disengage it from the window channel. For the final steps, carefully disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, like those for the window switch or speaker wires. Also, detach the door latch release rod from the back of the door handle assembly. Take your time with these connections to avoid damage. Once everything is disconnected, your door panel is fully removed. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.